villagers, it's Jade again. Do you want to start those little ones on the path to greatness? Well, pull out those sensory bins. This will make you want to put that tablet in the trash. Tablet games don't even compare to sensory play. First, I'll tell you why you should try the sensory play with any young child. Then I'll give you some ideas on how to do it. Everyone learns best when we're using our senses. Don't you learn faster by doing than by watching? Memories are connected to our senses also. Senses are some powerful stuff, and engaging them is what will help the child in your village to develop that brain. And by that, I mean better language skills, motor skills, problem-solving skills, social skills. I love science, by the way. And sensory play really gives them that chance to use those investigative science skills. They can ask themselves questions and explore to find the answer. Kids can experiment with different textures, different smells, and that'll help you out if you have a picky eater as well. But that's another video. There has been a lot of research done about the benefits of sensory play. This is obviously something I believe in. And doing this will improve your child's memory and help them learn adjectives like sticky, cold, hot, etc. So sensory can even calm them down when they're getting upset. There are just obviously so many benefits here. The more senses we use, the more info we retain. So I'm going to give you some ideas that you can start using today. While they play, make sure to ask questions about the experience too. Like, how does it feel, smell, sound, taste, all of that. So let's learn some adjectives here. But don't hover too much because you do want to give them that chance to play independently and let them be in charge of their play as well. You can use stuff around the house. Pots, pans, get creative. Spaghetti noodles, pipe cleaners in the colander, you've probably seen that one. Play-Doh and slime. Soothing and relaxing sensory bottles will mesmerize them into forgetting that they were in a bad mood in the first place. Distractions. You can collect things from nature, make a picture or collage with the leaves and the sticks, finger paint. Let's remember smell too. Line up some scents and spices and have a guess what this smell is game. Lots of activities you can do that involve sensory. Maybe I'll make a video about that. But let's talk about sensory bins. Yes. Worried about the mess? Put that bin in a tent or a plastic pool or outside or on a tray. No excuses here. Have them sit at the table or sit on a sheet. There's no reason why you can't do a sensory bin, folks. You also want to give them some rules, like don't eat it, keep the stuff in the bin, you throw something, I'm taking it away. Sensory bins might look like a big mess, some of them, but it's so much more than that. Look deeper and see that this child is learning about measurements, physics, spatial awareness, trial and error, how to use their imagination, how to make those fingers do what they want them to do. They are the boss of this world, and since this toy isn't giving them instruction on how to play, they can do whatever it is they please. Now, what to put in them? This list could go on for days. I've used so many things. Colored ice in different shapes, water in different containers with food coloring. Be sure to include cups, spoons, things that pour, scoop. You can use sand, beans, cornstarch, rice, which I dyed, or pasta. You can dye pasta too. Put some trucks, bugs, animals, other toys in there. Green rice with tiny dinosaurs to dig for. Water beads, super fun. You can freeze toys inside of ice. Foam letters and shaving cream. Be prepared for that mess though. You cut up straws into little tiny pieces, put those in a bin. Whatever you have around the house, like I said. Oh, and magnets. I'm a big fan of magnets. You can put metal objects in a bin of beads or beans or anything and turn them into little treasure hunters with the magnet. Things that don't make a mess also are pom-poms, cotton balls. You could use noodles, cooked or uncooked. They can be dyed different colors like the rice as well. Add their favorite little toys like Legos and poof! They'll be busy working in that bin long enough for you to make lunch. So go, engage those senses and stimulate those little brains. Let's prepare them to be amazing adults. Put your own ideas in the comments and any questions you have too. Now hit that subscribe button and watch my next video.